Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your Simpin on your Motorola Moto G84 5G. For that, you want to go to your settings, and then you want to go to security and privacy, and now you want to scroll down to more security settings, and then you want to go to SIM card lock and change Simpin. Now you have to put in your old Simpin and now your new Simpin. Just note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times 0, stuff like that are not the most secure options. You want to be a bit more creative here, but that's how you can change your Simpin. If you've done that, you can just go back, and then if you have to restart your phone, you can use your new Simpin. That's especially useful if you have like a lot of pins that you need to remember, or if you have like a really complicated Simpin that you just can't remember. So that's how you change it on your Motorola Moto G84 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.